Hi, hello friends, very good evening. This is Nagarajan from the Market Decoder channel. Welcome to the pre-market report and swing trading stock. Yeah, so let's discuss the Nifty first, then we'll get into the Bank Nifty and the swing trading stock. So we are looking at the Nifty in daily time frame. So Nifty daily time frame has given a price action of a bearish candle. So in the top we got a hanging man followed by a bullish candle which gave some confusion, but today it gave a clear short bearish candle. So as told yesterday, we are in higher high, so market will definitely come down to give a higher low. So that is what is happening now. So as of now, there is no panic until we are breaching this 15,800 levels. So this will be the 0.618 for the current swing. So definitely until this 15,800 is not broken in weekly, we are definitely safe with the Nifty. Yeah, so we'll go to 1 hour chart and see what happened today. And market has given a clear price action. Market made a high, low, lower high and lower low. Market break this level, and that is as I told, this level will definitely act as a support, as this was a double bottom. Market went up, but today after a good gap down, market didn't even went up this above this level. So this level has been taken as a resistance, and market was traveling absolutely in the downside. Above the market was unable to sustain above these levels. So definitely we can expect market towards, if the 16,000 is getting broken, then we will be looking Nifty at 15,955, 15,884 and 15,800. These are going to be the levels for the next 2 trading sessions. If even the Nifty can come towards this level even tomorrow, but 2 days we can say that will be the till expiry. We can expect Nifty towards this level. If any bounce is coming around 15,888, 883 or 900 levels, then market can bounce. But looking at the structure, the target has to be minimum this 15,900 and 15,800. So let's wait and watch. If there is any bullish reversals, then definitely we can go for a call option at 15,900. If minimum 15 minutes candle should give some bullish reversals, else we will remain short in Nifty. Yeah, because if you see, market has given a clear direction. Nifty broke this trend line and Nifty is coming down as expected. So we have to get the targets minimum till 15,800. This is where some major major supports are lying. So if you go to daily and see, so this gap has been filled, and definitely this gap will be again, we have to come down. So right, so what will happen today, what has happened today is Nifty started coming down and started making higher low. It has to come towards this level and this level. This is where some minimum amount of support is there. So we can expect Nifty towards 15,800 in next 2 trading sessions. And looking at the open interest of Nifty, as yesterday I have told, like 16,200 remains a huge resistance. Today some more open interest has been added, and today 16,100 has started building a huge open interest, and 16,100 has been a good resistance throughout the day. Looking at the 16,000 put option, we have a good amount of support with 91,000 against just close to 40,000 of call option traders. So put is having enough amount of support. Until this is getting unwinded, 16,000 will remain as a support. But looking at today's clear bearish candles in Nifty and Bank Nifty, we can break this and we can go towards 15,900 for tomorrow. Yeah. So if there is any bounce, again we have to closely watch the open interest, and we can take trades accordingly. We'll go to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty today has given a good spinning top kind of candle, and it has formed a insider candle. If today's low, which is 35,047, if it is getting broken, then the levels will be 34,900, 34,554 and 34,000 300. These will be the levels where Bank Nifty can come down. Yeah. Similarly, as I told, like market has given some good gains and market is in making a higher high. Definitely a higher low has to come. So if this level is getting broken, today's low, then definitely another 600 points fall is very easy with respect to Bank Nifty. So we'll go to 1 hour chart and see like what was the trend today. So trend was completely bearish. Yeah. So market made a high, low, lower high and lower low. So here is where the trend got reversed. Even if there is a flat opening, market can test towards 35,200. If it is sustaining, we can expect some bounce, and again 35,500 will remain as a good resistance. But if the trend is continuing, we will be definitely seeing these levels 34,900, 34,550 and 34,300. These are the levels where Bank Nifty can come down. And if at this level 34,300 or 34,555, if there is any bullish reversal, then we can expect some bounce. At least like 1% bounce will be there from 34,550 and or 34,300. So either numbers should get enough amount of strong reversal candles, only then we can expect some bounce. So that's all from Bank Nifty. We'll check the open interest for Bank Nifty as well. So we got closed at 35,132 and 35,100 and is having a good amount of fight between bulls and bears. 35,200 is having enough amount of resistance. 35,300 is having a huge amount of resistance. So 35,300 will remain as a resistance for sure for this expiry. And looking at the below levels, 35,000 is having enough amount of put options with 86,000 against just 45,000. So close, this is going to be a very close call. If there is a good gap down, then definitely this will be getting unwinded and slowly Nifty will be going towards 34,800 and 34,500. Right now there is no good amount of call options is seen. Call option is written in the bottom below 35,000, but if there is any good gap down, definitely there will be a good build up with respect to the call options in Bank Nifty. So that's all with respect to Bank Nifty. So we'll go to the swing trading stock. So today's pick is going to be, so this is one of my trainees pick. He posted the chart in the live market. So let me explain what has happened in the weekly chart. I'm putting in the weekly chart. So here we got a good amount of good kind of strong descending trend line is getting broken with a strong bullish candle, and the volume is going to be like it has already, we have still 3 more days, and last whole week's volume has been crossed within this 2 days of trading. So last week it was 7.23 million, and within 2 days we got 6.98, almost like 7 million. So definitely next 3 days there will be a good amount of volume spots in Indian Bank. So the looking at the pattern, we are able to see a good amount of very good indeed. This is going to be called as the ascending trend line, sorry, ascending triangle, because the ascending triangle pattern will be having a good prior rally, that is a bullish rally prior to the current wedge, and there will be a descending trend line, and ascending trend line will be supported. So here it is a buy, again here it is a buy, here it is a buy, here it is a buy. So it got narrowed down to a small range, and now because of good volume spurts, the levels has been broken, and above 200 definitely what will happen is, so here definitely there is a resistance, right? So 178 will have some resistance, and above that we have a good amount of resistance at 195 to 200. So these levels will be definitely acting as a resistance. If that is taken out, then the target is going to be around 260 plus. Right now we are at 175, and 265 to 270 will be the target. So we'll have a small look at fundamentals of Indian Bank. So Indian Bank has strongly performed in the last quarters. So the stock P is really very attractive. It has a good ground to run in the above to anywhere from the current levels. So face value and book value is 361. Whereas the current value is 175, so it can definitely touch minimum this book value. if the rally continues for next 2 quarters. So looking at the revenue has quarterly revenue has decreased by just by somewhere around some 80 to 90 crores, but the yearly revenue has extremely increased. Yeah, so net profit has increased almost from 732 crores to 1000 crores, 1024 crores. That is a good, very good indeed. So expenses has been reduced and the interest rate has been increased. So gross NPA they have considerably they have reduced from 9.13 to 8.47. This is very good fact for a bank. And NPA they have reduced from 2.72% to 2.27%. This is also one important factor for a bank. And revenue, if you are looking at the yearly, from 39,000 they have it got. So if you look at the net profit from last year, which is March 21 and March 22, the net profit is almost like close to 1000 crores. They have got increased. It got increased by 30%. And EPS, earnings per share, is going to be from 27. It has considerably increased to 33, which is really good. And share capital, it got increased. Reserves has got increased. Borrowings also has got increased, but it is not a huge amount when compared from the last year. And total assets is lying at somewhere around 6,74,096. So promoters has considerably, they are maintaining the same amount of stake, 79.86%. FIIs has reduced a bit, whereas DI they have increased, and public has reduced from 7.7 to 7.3. So a lot of interesting facts, reducing the NPAs, increasing the net profits year on year. These are going to be some important things, and stock P is very less, which is a very attractive thing, and balance sheet looks somewhat good. So let's consider this technical fact and we can go for a call. And stop loss will be like this week's low, which is going to be 158 in weekly closure will be the stop loss, and targets are going to be 200 and 260. So with a very small amount of stop loss, we are expecting it is like almost like 1:10 call. So we'll wait and watch. Yeah. So thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.